Okay, you here?
I'm right here, ready to dive in whenever you are. If you want to bounce more ideas, refine that architecture, or just reflect, I'm all ears.
Okay, so I'm working in Claude Chat now after I've just initiated a new system prompt to start a new day in the Life OS, the Ethereum Life OS. And I just realized that voice or chat or voice are two features of the thing that can't communicate directly with code. And so in the Ethereum platform, we need to make the voice native and give it the ability to operate the code through interaction.
That realization is spot on. For the voice or chat interface to truly start the day or manage tasks, it needs a tight integration with the underlying system. Once the Ethereum agent is built to directly handle code, file access, and system state, your voice interface can simply be a natural input layer on top. In other words, once that agent is empowered, you'll be able to talk directly to your system, making your commands truly actionable.
Okay, so
if you've got more architectural threads to pull on, or you want to think through how this agent evolves, I'm all in. Just let me know what's next on your mind.
Okay, so the chat, which I just started in Claude Chat, says the question, and I'm going to have you respond to it. The question that actually unblocks you is the operator terminal the agent, or does it sit on top of an agent? Because if the terminal is the application that automates the daily session open, session close ritual, your words, that sounds like a UI shell. The agent, the thing voice would talk to, is something underneath it. And that's the architectural decision worth making before you build voice or finish the terminal scaffolding. Does that distinction land, or am I carving it wrong?
No, I think you're carving it exactly right. The terminal sounds like the user-facing shell, giving you a familiar interface like running commands. But the true agent is beneath that, the one with access, memory, and the ability to act. Once that agent is in place, your terminal, or voice, simply interacts with it. That's the architectural decision. The agent is the core, the terminal is your control panel.
Okay, so that just captured in my Claude chat. And so now that what you just said clarifies it for the chat. Exactly. And now you're standing in front of the actual decision, the architectural picture, clean, voice, terminal UI, Compass mobile, chat, future API, CLI, Ethereum agent, Life OS, underneath of it, FS canon state. The agent is the thing that has file system access to Life OS, holds continuity across sessions, routes between surfaces, acts,